These are the E-elevators at Sarasota Memorial Hospital in Sarasota, Florida. So apparently you need a badge to get to the 3rd floor. So these are Otis with Series M2 fixtures. Originally Otis, then I think mod again by Otis. Series M2 fixtures, as you can see. We're gonna go down to 1. Here's your certificate. And here's your cab view. The other one has a rear door, although we're just gonna ride this one in this video. Okay. I think we're stopping at 3, or does that just stay on? I don't know. I think it just stays on because we're not stopping. Let's watch the button go out. There it goes, and that'll be it.